Welcome to Oppein branch event in Uganda.
Today we stand on the threshold of a new beginning as we prepare to introduce our new partner, Oppein.
Oppein has started from 1994, so it's already like 29 years history. We are the #1 brand in China. We start from manufacture kitchen, and then later start wardrobe, bath vanity, interior doors, and even nowadays we start produce loose furniture.
Without fear of contradiction, I've seen good stuff, I've seen hardwood and everything, but there's no way I'm going to put an installation of a kitchen in my house if it's not Oppein. Give these guys a chance.
What we deliver is what we promise, and what we are promising is what we will deliver. So thank you for your time. Thank you.